is Ryan from my web design source, and I wanted to go over quickly the content management system for WordPress. So there are basically three places where you can edit the items. First is the post, which are actually blog posts, and we'll go over that a little later. The pages, which are basically the pages of your website, and also the CMS blocks, where there are editable areas in your website. Let's go over first the pages. Once you click into the pages, you'll see that there are all the different menus regarding your website. Look, let's say in About Us. Go ahead and click Edit on that one. And then you'll see that it'll come up with a WYSIWYG editor where you can basically start editing your website with the fonts, font size, and colors. If you want to link something, you can just basically highlight this and see this link button here. That's where you're going to be linking, say, pages within links within your website or outside links. Another important aspect here is insert the image. So here you'll see that there's a button right there. It says insert an image. You can go ahead and click that one, and just like you would with any Word document, you will select a file and choose from your computer and insert them to your website. From there, you can go ahead and update that here on the right hand side, and that will instantly publish to the website. Now the difference between pages and posts, again, as I mentioned before, posts are like a blog site. So if you're updating your news and events, this is where you would put it, where it would be a more dynamic news and events area. So this is the same thing, just editing it and inserting the blog, and you'll probably have some categories if we created something for you where you can choose if it's a blog or in the news. Choosing the category on this one is basically going into the right hand side here, and you can choose which category that belongs to, and then you can go ahead and update that. The last thing area is the CMS blocks, the content management system blocks. So basically, if we are in your website, you'll be able to update, for example, the copyright area or the header or tagline if you needed to. These are all where you can edit these things here. This is an image, so if you are going to replace it, you have to replace it as an image. You can do that by highlighting this and seeing this edit the image. This will come up, and you can on the advanced setting, upload that image, get that URL that's stored within your hosting or within your website, and insert it there. Here's the size and width of that as well. The last thing after the CMS blocks is if you do want to have different users access your website, you can do that here on the left hand side. And if you go into editing this, you'll just go to edit that, and it's pretty self-explanatory. Here's the email address, and here's the new password that you can assign your group, and also when choosing that user, and you can add users. Okay, so again, go ahead, there's a lot of resources out there on YouTube as well, but this is a quick tutorial on using your WordPress content management system.